Hey guys, good morning again. This is the 2019 Lexus RX350. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil. I just changed the oil on this, engine oil. So I show you guys right now how to reset the oil life in it. Right here, push button, turn it on twice. Go to the ignition and you have to scroll this. You can see there first. Watch the dash there. And we're gonna scroll on this button here. We're going to go to the I think vehicle settings right there. Go to the vehicle settings right there and press center and go to the oil maintenance. Scroll down the down arrow and press this center button. Oh shit. Right there. And then oil maintenance reset. Yes. So the data has been reset. The data has been reset. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See you next video.